On the breastplate, thickly turned edges protect the throat from blades or arrows. Defense for the underside of the arm. This pushes away any weapon sliding in towards the body and is inspected for quality by master craftsmen in Nuremberg, the German city where it was made. Cone. This ridge along the top deflects enemy weapons, ensuring blows from the weapons are much less effective. Bellows visor. The top two slots are for sealing, the rest are for breathing. Their angle makes it hard for a blade to get in. Visor catch. This catch prevents the visor being forced up by an opponent's weapon. Longsword. A German-made sword would always be relied on in battle. The blade is flexible and tough. Cross. The cross guard is fitted over the blade to offer protection to the hand. Groove. This groove strengthens the blade and makes it lighter. Pommel. This acts as a counterbalance to the blade. This example is known as a wheel pommel. It can also be used to pummel an opponent. Basket-hilted broadsword. This hilt was made long. The rest of the weapon is from Zollingen in Germany. Basket hilt. This protects the hand. When this sword was crafted, warriors no longer needed metal gloves, called gauntlets. Metal of the blade. The wavy pattern in the blade's metal tells us of the skill that went into making it. Inscription on the blade. Can you see the running wolf design on the blade? It is a sign of the German town of Zollingen. Here the best quality blades were, and still are, made.
What is this?
ยกขึ้นให้ยกเฉยๆมั้งให้ดูความหนัก
That's going to be very heavy, isn't it?